Hi, I'm Ben from Maybe Autism is My Superpower.
Hey, bud. Today we're going to answer another question. Do you know what it's about?
Water.
Yeah, it's about water because a lot of people are asking questions about the water. We have our Sarah Mateen who asked a question. She said she's a mother of a beautiful little boy and she's noticed that he has a fascination with water, whether it's playing in the bathtub, rain puddles, or even when washing dishes. He always plays with water. She knows it's common for children with autism. Can you explain why? And she's not the only one that asked a question. Other people have asked questions about why their child splashes a lot or why they like to take a lot of baths. So let's talk a little bit about water, Ben. What do you like about the water?
The sounds, splashing, and the hydration, and the hygiene, and splashing and swimming.
Oh, that's a lot of things you like about water. Hydration's important. That was smart. Very good. But what about when you're in like a swimming pool? What did you say you like about the splashing?
Soothing sound.
They make soothing sounds to you? So you think that's why maybe kids with autism like to splash a lot?
Mm-hmm.
Does it feel good
Yes.
with their hands also?
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting. And what did you tell me also about, when I asked you this question, you mentioned something about the light in the water. What did you say about that?
Reflection.
What kind of reflection?
Colors.
It makes colors
Mm-hmm.
that you like. Do you like to look at those colors?
Yes.
That's interesting, Ben. So I think that for many kids with autism, it's different, but maybe kids are attracted to the water for the light and the feel. And how do you think it makes them feel?
Good.
In what way?
A calming way.
Calming way. That's good. Now, it wasn't always that way for you. You always liked the pool, but what did you used to wear on your feet all the time?
Rain boot.
Why?
Because I didn't want my feet to get wet.
No, you didn't. And Mommy always had to bring a change of clothes because, why?
I didn't want my clothes to get wet.
Yes, not even a little tiny bit, or what would you do?
Panic.
You would have a panic, yes. So you didn't like water in that way, but you always did love your baths and a nice swimming pool that had what kind of temperature?
Heating temperature.
Yeah, you wouldn't go. You still won't go in the pool unless it's heated. But I think for this video, Ben, many parents want to know why children are fascinated with the water. So can you just repeat that? There's a few reasons you said.
Hydration.
Well, that's for you. You like to drink. But what about being in the pool? What feels good about that?
The color and the sound.
The sound and the color of the lights or the colors that you see in your eyes. So when children, sometimes kids run out of their house or run away from their parents, and it can be dangerous because kids with autism are attracted to water and fascinated with water. And when they run, sometimes they find water. And why do you think they do that?
To calm down.
To calm themselves down. Yeah, that's very interesting. So parents, we have to keep those safety measures going, those trackers and those swim lessons, because water is an attraction. And we will make another video about elopement and how that affected Ben and what we've done for that later on. But thank you for explaining water, Ben, to these parents. And you had a toy when you were young that you would play with.
Water table.
Yes, which was a nice, safe way to get your comfortable feeling with the water that you enjoyed. So water tables are good, although you had to be naked almost because you didn't like your clothes feeling how?
Wet.
Yeah, so you would definitely have your shirt off for that. But now that you like the water, I even understand a little more. The sounds and the light that you see in your eyes that makes you feel how?
Good.
Good.
And calm.
And calm. All right, thanks for sharing that, bud. I really appreciate it.
Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye. And don't forget, autism is a superpower.
Sure is. Bye, guys.